This is the 7th episode of our Grow with an Edge segment. Imagine we're halfway through our entire series. Ang bilis talaga ng panahon, simbilis ng paglaki ng ating mga anak. Tinayin si Christoph and Akisha. So why don't we have a little review of what we've learned so far? Nang simulan po natin ang sering ito, ipinangako namin na talaga namang tuturuan namin kayo ng iba't ibang paraan upang masigurong well-rounded ang growth at development ng ating mga anak. So mula sa physical, mental, emotional, social at iba pa. We started with A for activity. Natutunan natin through physical activity, a child becomes physically fit. At ang mas maganda, ang physical fitness pala ay may direct link sa brain fitness ng isang bata. Expert defining physical fitness and discussing its connection with brain fitness and holistic development.
So how do you say that a person is physically fit? Dapat meron siyang strength, endurance, speed, flexibility, at saka coordination. So ang brain fitness naman is how healthy is the brain functioning. So for example, yung physical fitness is our body. Ito naman yung brains natin. So mental abilities. Meron din siyang 5 core cognitive functions. Meron tayong auditory processing. Meron tayong visual processing. We also have attention and memory. Of course, are emotional. So para masabi natin na tayo ay fit din in terms of our brain, kasama rin dun yung pagka-fit natin sa body.
B is for balanced nutrition. We invited another expert for this episode. Inalam natin sa kanya kung ano bang ibig sabihin ng balanced nutrition at ang kahalagahan nito sa growth and development ng ating mga anak. Hindi lang yan, nalaman din natin ang tinatawag na calcium deficiency. Paano po maiiwasan na magkaroon ng calcium deficiency?
Ang isa ay talagang pinakaano natin ay magkaroon sila ng adequate intake of calcium-rich foods. So makikita natin ito sa mga milk and dairy products.
Ayan, yung mga pagkaing mayaman po sa calcium.
Oo.
From that same episode, una nating napanood kung paano nakakatulong sa calcium absorption ang pag-inom ng gatas na walang palm oil, gaya ng Grow. On our 4th episode, we learned about C for common time, which is also valuable in the growth and development of our children. Kita nyo naman, sa pamamagitan ng simpleng bonding with my kids like grocery, marami silang natututuhang tamang behavior at magagandang values and social skills. Nag-enjoy pa kami as a family. Then, on the 5th episode, there is D for delicious. Sa isang blind taste test sa mga mommies and kids, napatunayang mas masarap talaga ang Grow kaysa leading brand ng gatas. Pagkatapos nun, gumawa tayo ng Grow Power Pulveron. Remember, Kisha?
Yes!
Sa tulong ng isang mommy chef, ang simpleng pulveron naging Power Pulveron dahil ginamitan ng Grow Powder Milk as the main ingredient. For E, we had experts. Inalam natin from different experts how they define a child who grows with an edge. Wow! Siksik talaga sa mahalagang impormasyon at payong segment na to. Lahat ng yan, inalam namin at ibinahagi sa inyo so we can all help our children grow with an edge. Siyempre pa, huwag silang kalilimutang bigyan ng Grow, ang gatas na walang palm oil, kaya tumutulong sa optimum calcium absorption. Meron pang Grow Boost System, 24 nutrients, DHA, taurine at prebiotics to support growth. At dahil masarap pa, sulit na sulit talaga. Sustansya. Sa susunod na episode, simula na ng second half ng ating series. Sisiguraduhin po namin na patuloy kayong matututo ng mahalagang kaalaman at makabuluhang payo sa pagpapalaki ng mga anak natin. So help your child grow with an edge. Sustansya Rap! Next week's episode is dedicated to working mommies. We'll be sharing tips on how to manage time so you can spend more of it with your children.